Alright y'all, so I got this big white box. Let's unwrap it and see what it is. That's right, air exhaust for the Street Fighter. Let's see what we got here. Okay. This looks to be paperwork for it. To that side. Some packaging. We got a stainless steel pipe. So obviously didn't go with the full titanium. Got the exhaust here. I'll unpack that in a second. The other side. Another stainless pipe. Got the app map. T800 Plus. Okay, let's get this one up. Nice. Carbon fiber tip. That's a new one. Got the new sticker on it. That's cool. Because I remember the sticker used to be blue. Now it's black, so that'll match the bike even better now. Got the resistors in there. I'll take those out. It looks like pretty simple. Take those out. Sit that down. Unpack all this. Alright, let's see what's in here. Got the carbon fiber end that goes onto the exhaust. So that side. Got all your screws and bolts. Directions. Mixed with Panigale and V4 and Streetfighter V4 directions, but those will come in handy. And a sticker. Go. Looking good. Only thing out right now, I wish this was a gloss carbon fiber, but beggars can't be choosers. It looks good. Definitely way lighter than a stock exhaust. We'll try to find some way to weigh it. That's the quality of it. I already got some oils on it. Needs to be wiped off. You see here. So yeah. Alright, so we'll get that taken care of. Clean it off a little bit, and then I'll clean it off again when I finally get it installed. But yeah, I'm excited. Try to get this put on. See how long it takes. Well, first let's weigh it and see how much it weighs in comparison to the stock. Alright, let's go. Oh guys, it weighs nothing. No, just kidding. I can't get my scale to read it. It's so light. But I'm gonna Google and I'll put up on the screen how much it weighs in comparison to stock. So I'll have it up on the screen for you guys. But yeah, let's get this thing installed. Alright. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna start by putting the cover back on. Alright, those two are in. Alright y'all, so I got the proper pipe right here. I'll put it like underneath here. It goes right here. And it loops around out, and it comes out the back side, comes out this way here. Grab the spring. I don't know if you guys can see the spring dangling right here. Back in here is this one. Alright, so I'm going to the other side and connect it. This way here, like that. One here at the bottom, and one on the pair. That one. Okay guys, as you see, I just connected those two to the new pipe underneath here too. That was pretty easy. These are the stock springs, by the way, on both sides. Alright guys, I just noticed I had it backwards. Basically I had this one underneath that one, so the pipe on the left hand side, I'll show you guys closer. This pipe that came from the left hand side goes over the pipe on the right hand side, and it sits like this. And that's how I connect it properly. Alright guys, I'm gonna grab this size bolt, this washer, it goes right in here. Everything's just hand tight right now. The directions are kind of vague, so I'm kind of assuming things go certain ways. Next one is this. I grabbed it's kind of like the middle size one, size bolt here. This washer, and this. They don't really say on the directions on where to put it in it, but so I'm gonna try this, and then if not, then if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna try something else. Goes here on this side here. And that one's hand tight. That later. Okay guys, so they supply you with these pins, so I put the pins on the left silencer and also the right one. Okay. Here. Next step. The other pin right here goes right back there, if you guys can see, right here. You guys can see, right here. Right here. You see it comes with these, this whole pair, and this one right here. You get this carbon fiber piece set on it. This carbon fiber piece that's on there like that. I already have all the bolts, so I'll show you guys that in 1 second. Got this here. I'm gonna show you the two, one right there and one up here. Alright guys, so I got the right side canister. I want to get it fitted on here. Okay, get that on. Got the spring. I don't know if you guys can see right here, right there, and there, there's the spring connected. Okay, got that spring fitted on there. This one right here, it's like the mid-size one. It goes right in here. Okay, we got that one in. Okay, we got this one hand tightened in there. Let's go on to the other side. Get this one situated. Alright guys, you see, on the other side now. I was trying to get this one fitted on here. Like so. It actually wasn't that hard to slide on. As you said, I already put this bracket together right here. This little rubber grommet goes down this way. And we have this bolt with the washer. And if you guys can see right here, right by the quick shifter, there's an empty hole there. That's where the bracket goes. This, and then grab this one with the longer bolt, with the medium-sized washer. Rubber grommet goes right here. So I'm gonna hand tighten this one down also. Alright, I'm going on the other side and we're gonna start tightening all this stuff down. Let's go. Alright y'all, back on the other side. We got the spring to put on and we're gonna start tightening everything else. Okay, got that one fitted on there. Nice and tight. Alright guys, so we all been waiting for. This is with the DB killer in. Dang, that thing sounds crazy with the DB killers in. But I'm gonna wait for this thing to cool down and air out my garage. I'm gonna take the DB killers out, start it, and then we'll tune it with the Turn Me tune. Alright, let's go. Whew, got it. Alright, I'm gonna wipe it down one more time and then start it up again without these in it. Alright y'all, what do y'all think? I think it sounds pretty good. It sounds really good. Way better than stock for sure. It has to get, the ECU has to get used to it, and I'm about to flash it anyway, so I won't be getting that hesitation in it. So, alright, that's what I got for you guys. It's installed. The next video do the tune, and then the following video I'll do it first. Alright, so please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Alright, peace.